Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Gonai. This is Gargi and I have come with a very quick jewelry DIY video. In this video, I have tried to make a choker set which is simple and elegant too. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. First, I am taking a ready-made tercel and some plastic koori cells. You can take according to your requirement, but I am taking here 8 koori cells. Now I am going to secure this koori to the tercel with the help of needle and thread. Now taking a silver oxidized earring tab and also securing this with the help of needle and thread. Now I am taking 2 jhumkas which are already attached with this silver chain, and I am going to fix this silver chain to that earring tab with the help of a small round hoop. So I have done with the choker. Now let's proceed to the earring part. Now I am taking a thin cardboard and here I am going to draw 4 circles, 2 big circles and 2 smaller circles. You can measure that circles according to your requirements, so I am not giving any measurements. Here I am taking jute thread and with the help of fabric glue fixing this jute thread on the top of the bigger circle in this way. Also covering the back side of the cardboard in the same way. Now taking the smaller circle and inserting the post earring stud. I have made secure the stud with the fabric glue. Now we have to fix the black thread on the top of smaller circle in the same way which I have done earlier. Now sticking the smaller circle on the top of the bigger circle with the help of dendrite. Here you can use any strong glue. Finally, taking a koori to complete the look of the earring and fixing it with dendrite, and it looks very beautiful. In the same way, I have made another earring, and with this I have completed this beautiful choker set. I love this choker, and the best part is I didn't buy a single thing to make this jewelry. I tried to create this with the material which I have already available. You can carry this with Indian wear as well as Western, and can create an Indo-Western look. So if you like the video, then please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Stay happy and healthy. Thank you.